Hello friends, today I am showing refreshing watermelon juice. This juice is very tasty and very simple way making this recipe. Those who are new visitor, please give subscribe, like, share and comment. This is a special summer drinks and please this video watch this video, then you can learn. So now let's start. Now here I take a fresh bowl, then this watermelon cutting in small pieces. This is a special summer season and very refreshing juice, and here is no chemical added and no any other uses, only for refreshing juice, fresh juice, and this is the very healthy for our body. See the friends, all cut has done, and now let's the next step. And now I take a fresh mixer bowl. Now added cutting watermelon. Then after added 2 tablespoons sugar. Then after added a spinch black salt. Then after added little bit Kewara water. And now this watermelon paste well properly. See the face, watermelon paste well properly, and now let's go next step. And now here I have taken a strainer and now add the paste, properly strain. This is the watermelon juice part, and this is the remove from the outside, and now this came out fresh watermelon juice. And now let's go next step. Here I have taken a fresh glass and now add the fresh watermelon juice. See the friends, this is the very refreshing watermelon juice and very healthy for our body. So, and it's a very simple way making and very tasty. So if you like this my video, then give subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.